Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking two integers, a and b, and normalizing signs so the algorithm deals with non-negative values. First actionable step: if either is 0, return the absolute of the other immediately. Once normalized, choose your approach, iterative loop or recursion, and set up variables. Make sure to handle Python's built-in math, GCD, as a baseline. This prepares you to run the core Euclidean steps without wasting time on trivial setup. Now implement the Euclidean algorithm. While b is not 0, compute a, b equals b, a %b so you repeatedly replace the pair with the remainder step. If you prefer recursion, call the function with swapped arguments until the second parameter is 0, then return the first. Once done, ensure you return the absolute value so negatives are handled. Also test edge cases like coprime numbers, equal inputs, and zeros to confirm correctness and stability. Finish by returning the absolute value of a once the loop or recursion ends. That is your GCD. After that, validate your function on a variety of inputs and compare results to Python's math. GCD as a quick correctness check. If you encounter wrong outputs, retrace steps. Confirm you used a %b, not b%a, ensure variables are swapped in the correct order, and verify you handled 0 and negative inputs properly to avoid common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.